Boom! What is up, Wanderers? Holy crap, it's finally here. I don't know if you remember, but a while back, we ordered and custom built a Rainmaker together. Please check out that video, it was a lot of fun. But we built a crazy bag together, and I'm about to open it for the first time, do an unboxing, an unbagging of this backpack, and share it with all of you. Now this is the smaller size of the Rainmaker. There's my big Rainmaker up there. And I'm hyped. I am hyped to look at this new everyday bag with you for the first time. Let's go. There's a peek. I'm so excited. Oh, you guys, I am so excited. It's like Christmas, but better. All right, check out this puppy. All right, we went crazy on the colors. Check out the video, you'll dig it. But we've got the gray, blue, orange, yellow, white. We got some pink borders. We got the Malaysian flag. Our grab handles are in white. We got some yellow and brown on the back. Check out these straps with the blue and white and the green and white. We went freaking crazy on this thing. All right, let's pop open our compression straps. You can see the sides here. We've got the brown, orange, and pink with the white detail on all these points. Pop our compression straps. Again, we got a white. There's not enough white bags out there. I know. There's a reason for that, but I'm gonna treat this thing with care. And we've got the white drink holder. We've got our morale patch panel here. Tip of the cap to the Malaysian flag where this bag came from and was made. Here's our corduroy drop pocket, which is such a good pocket on this bag. Open this bad boy up. Inside, we've got our front pocket. Drop pocket goes all the way down to the base of the bag. Wow. And we've got this inside pocket in the material of the bag itself. Beautiful, beautiful, love it. Let's open up our main compartment here. Zips all the way down. What do we have in here? Oh, gorgeous. So we've got our two mesh pockets in here. Got our zipper pulls that come with the bag. Then on the back side, we've got our tablet or notebook sleeve, MOLLE panel. And then on the back, we got a couple more things going on. This backpack is so freaking good. So freaking good. Full clamshell, corduroy lined laptop pocket, tablet sleeve, admin pocket on the reverse, and then a hidden back pocket on the back side. This bag is so good. And I'm gonna do a little size comparison here so you can see the difference between the two. Okay? This is the medium size. There's actually a one that's even bigger than this. So this is actually medium, large, extra large, I think. I don't know. But this is the smallest size available of the Rainmaker. You can see kind of the difference between the two models. All right. So you guys let me know what you think of this build. This one is in the multicam black, obviously. This one is in the custom Cordura. And I went with a really crazy colorway on this bag, and I'm digging it. I'd love to know what you guys think. There's certainly nobody out there in the universe who has this bag rocking the pink and the brown and all this cool colorway on the front. Man, I'm over the moon. All right. Guys, let me know what you think. I just couldn't wait to share it with you. As always, if you like the video, like the video. Please subscribe if you're new here. And man, share the channel with other bag geeks in your life. Please, it helps us grow and helps me get more bags to share with you and create more content. So everybody, that's it for now. But man, boom. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you later. Bye-bye.